Nirmal Ganyam, Biagmalka Nur Online TV channel. Took on ka breaking news ray which ka South Sudan gwas mi shi murlëëni shi ganeri shop wel ngwan chicken kanak ray which ka South Sudan ajen ler dana bani gajen gwas me gore jen o de yen nyak kaneti kokien ko bikon ler bani kulalinga gwa. Kajan lera me kan kono ni amten gore jeno mi jira mi jidit dir jen nyaga nasin ko kien ko ban me tuoga bukon linkel uh, ka dobo go ade kon lingje okay nyaka nyaka ka ne te ko kien ka ku jin ba ku subscribe ka nor online tv channel kajan lera me ken yam baje kwen ya ka tong nas ka kore baje nyok mu kwen je ya ka tong english lerdana shanun ka jen gwas me chala do shimurlene shikane wel ngwan chicken kanak kan na kan ka gwas me shika ok shikan ka kwalten okten koni kan ka kwarre wi ka South Sudan chu kan ne ti shop ka wel ngwan chu kan ka jan dana bu koni gwas me kan murleni chala do ne shikan jikka poita nos county shikan kama ka eastern equatoria alo ka ji equatoria shikan kama ko ne mi shikan ji equatoria kan ma ko kan ko la murleni shukan wal ngwan shukan ga nak kan gwaza mo shukan okti chop ka kurdang baro shukan ka kwal okti chop kurdang baro chikan ga nang chikan e chop bangwan dikan moy ka bot ka rai dana chalat kan wal ngwan de chiliu are kuro mo murlen tilat kan ke lung ka tibej bej la kan mi jeglat chaja lat ke ke china wo nyamtin na me jen dana chitok chikan wal ngwan chikan ga nak kan ne ti chop ka bangwan chikan moy ka bot ke okti chụp ka kudang baro ti chicken kanang karodian kel ano baje kwen ya ka tok english authorities in Kapoeta North County of Eastern Equatoria State have accused youths from the Greater Pibor administrative area of killing 14 civilians, including women and children, in a violent attack last week. Right on chalat gwasa me ne kon la kwar murlen ne kon la kwar ki Eastern Equatoria State ka jan Kapoeta North County. Chikala do ne na ke kwar ke ne kane shanne ko ticho wal ngwan chaka na kane din kon tilla murleni region which murleni ka pi bor chikaro me kan lat ka kor ninten paiwe. The incident, which occurred early Friday morning, also left 9 people injured and resulted in the theft of more than 708 of cattle and 14 people died. Chikalat gwazan kwarken ro ka Friday paiwe karunwang shu morlene shu kane ti chok bongani kan moika bot ka shu kane walngwan kan nak ka shu kan okti shu ka kudang barrow shu kan ka kwal ke chikan ka pen. The Kapoeta North leadership has blamed GPAA. They blame Murle uh, official for allegedly providing army to their youth, enabling them to carry out attacks on innocent civilians in the Eastern Equatorial State. Ala ji Kapoeta North ke ji Eastern Equatoria wabel kan kwar ko tila kwar Murleni ko kan chicken ngani ke ni kan mo ka match kama ja to kan match la kan na kula ya nek ka do branji kan lat. Kapoeta North County Commissioner Nayi David Nayi say that the attackers appear to be waging war against the people of Eastern Equatorial State. A call on Greater Pibor Administrative Area leadership to investigate the attack and ensure accountability for those responsible. Last Friday, the Murle attacked people in Karals at Napekar around 4 a.m., shooting and killing 14, injuring 9, and driving away 708 of cattle. Commissioner Nai said, the Murle must know the perpetrators and bring them to justice. Gerard Lokale, a youth leader in Kapoeta North County in South Sudan, urged GPAA authorities to refrain from action that violate the right to life. He accused Greater Pibor Administrative Area leadership of inciting violence by arming residents and demanded the immediate return of the stolen cattle. Earlier, John Lotede, a resident of Kapoeta North, expressed deep sorrow over the killing of women and children, calling it a grave violation of human rights. He emphasized the need for dialogue between the two areas to prevent further attack on civilians. In response, Greater Pibor Administrative Area Information and Communication Minister John Wershumjuk stated that his government had not received official communication regarding the attack. However, he confirmed that local authorities had been alerted to investigate the incident and hold any perpetrators accountable. We have no information about the attack on Kapoeta North County, but we have already alerted local authorities. Minister Juk said the information minister of Murlëëni, our team is still assessing whether our youth were indeed involved in that incident. Name jan le road kane de ti chwal ka Murlëëni mane kwarken ngai kan te ko lat korodian. La kana le ngai kana am ngai kana ne mane tel ramede mi jeng ni shangde jalat ka baje ku ram dit anten yamdo kugale la runi chokode let kan jeng na kana you know la east ni ko triatin Kapoeta neten akane ko ne amakyan nak ne welngwan akan Murlëëni ti ka chaw ken shop ko kudang baro shakan nang jele dan yiling na biatman